Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Science Time with Miss Tinker. Today I have a very exciting science project that I'm going to do with you. If you would like to follow along at home, you're more than welcome to. Or if you would like to just observe my project each week, you're welcome to do that also. So let's get started. First, I'm going to show you what you need to get together if you want to do the project at home. And then I will show you how we're going to do the actual experiment. These are the things that you're going to get together to do the science experiment. First, you can print this paper off, and this is the bean plant experiment paper. It's going to tell you what you need to get together and what do we want to learn from the experiment. The second paper here is going to be the paper that we're going to make a prediction about what we think will happen to each of the beans in our experiment. And lastly are all the things that you're going to need to do the experiment. A pen, water, clear plastic cups, cotton balls, dry beans, and some plastic cups which I already labeled for our experiment. So let's get started. Our bean plant experiment paper. We're going to put one bean in the closet, 1 cup in the freezer, 1 in a sunny window. We're going to get our clear cups, our dry beans, our cotton balls, and water. What do we want to learn from the experiment? We want to learn what the best place and the best conditions are to grow a bean plant. And then on this page, we are going to make a prediction of what we think will happen to each bean. And at the beginning of the experiment, we're going to draw in each one of our cup pictures what we think is going to happen. And at the very bottom, when the experiment is over, we're going to draw which one grew the best. And we're going to write at the bottom, what do plants need in order to grow? That's something that we need to think about. We've talked about it last week. We talked about it and we read stories and we watched videos. So let's get started. The first cup I have is the cold freezer with water. So we're going to get a cotton ball and 2 beans. And on the back of the cup, I wrote a number to help us also do our project. So we are going to pour some water in our cup. Next, we're going to put one in the cold freezer with no water. And I wrote a number 2 on the back of this cup. So we're going to put a cotton ball and 2 beans with no water. Next, we're going to put one in the dark closet with water. So we're going to put a cotton ball, 2 beans, and some water. And this cup has a number 3 on the back. Next, the dark closet with no water. So we're going to put cotton, 2 beans, and this has a number 4 on the back. Next, a sunny window with water. So we're going to put a cotton ball, 2 beans, and this has a number 5 on the back. We're going to pour water into our cup. And the last cup, a sunny window with no water. So we're going to put a cotton ball and 2 beans. And this cup has number 6 on the back. And we're not going to add any water. So next, I'm going to take you around my house and show you where we're going to put our bean cups. Let's get started. So this is cup number 1 in the cold freezer with water. This is cup number 2 in the freezer with no water. This is cup number 3 in the dark closet with water. This is cup number 4 in the dark closet with no water. This is cup number 5 in a sunny window with water. Cup number 6 in a sunny window with no water. Thank you, boys and girls, for joining me on this science experiment of the bean plant. I am very excited to look what's going to happen to our beans each week in our project. So each week I'm going to come back with a video to show you how our bean plants are doing and see if our predictions are going to be correct. Remember, what do we need to grow a plant? We need water, we need air, we need sunlight, and we need soil, which we have cotton balls. That's kind of like our soil. So I'm excited to see what's going to happen. Bye! Have a great day!